Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of NZD USD in front of us right now, my favorite 4 hours time frame. So you can see that I have got two lines drawn here on the chart. First of all, let me talk about this line. Okay, 0.6920. Okay. If you do not have these lines in your charting platform, then my dear friend, I'll request you to draw these lines so that you can understand the chart better, so that you can understand the market better. Okay. So you can see that this level is acting as a support for the market, or in simple words, whenever market is coming down or market is facing selling pressure from above, it is getting the required support here, and market is bouncing from this particular level only. Therefore, considering these price levels, one thing is clear to us, that 0.6920 is a valid support for the market. Means that some buyers are sitting at this price level. Okay, some buyers are sitting at this price level who are not allowing the price to fall beyond this level. Okay. On the other hand, you can see that I also have got a red line drawn here. If you look at the line here, okay, or if you observe the line carefully, then you can see that though market has got support here, but whenever market is bouncing, okay, it is failing to cross the previous high. And we can see that uh, since 24th May, okay, since 24th May, market is respecting this trend line as a valid resistance for the market, and this dynamic resistance has become extremely crucial for the market. There, I'll request you to draw this line, at least this line, in your trading platform, because you can clearly see that whenever market is going up, it is failing to cross the previous high, and surprisingly this trend line is the main culprit main reason why traders are why market is failing to cross the level. And right now you can see that market is just standing at the resistance. Okay, market is just standing at the resistance level. So considering the validity of this trend line, one thing is very clear to us, that this trend line will not allow the market to go up that easily. Therefore, if on Monday you see some good selling pressure here, okay, then you can short the market. So this is your first trading opportunity, because this trend line is acting as a valid resistance for the market. Therefore, I'll tell you that you can short the market if you see selling pressure on Monday as well. Okay. If this would have been a horizontal line, then I would have told you not to short the market, because there is a theory in the market that whenever market market test a level, okay, whenever market test the level, or that level loses its strength, because you can see that market is testing this level. Okay, market hit the level, came down, hit the level, came down. So ultimately what happens is that this level loses its strength. But this trend line, you can see that this trend line is not losing its strength as well, and this is a dynamic one. Okay, therefore I'm still recommending a sell here if market reverses on Monday. On the other hand, if we look at the currency strength sentiment meter, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. If we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, you can see that 69% retail traders have taken short position, and 30% traders have taken long position. Okay, and I'll say that more or less they are doing a good stuff, because generally what we see is that 90% retail traders lose money, because they always take trades against the trend. But this time this time at least they are following the trend. Okay, So there is a good possibility that they will be making money. And if we look at the trend line here, there is no doubt that this trend line is acting as a resistance for the market. So okay, so one thing, okay, apart from this trend line, one thing that we should know, okay, that this is also a descending triangle pattern. Descending triangle pattern. Okay, in descending triangle pattern, okay, there is a good possibility that market will cross this level. Okay. So on Monday, when you will short the market here, okay, then keep your eyes on this level as well. I'm not saying that market will not bounce. Okay. So in case market comes down to this particular support level and bounces, then you can go for buy order. And you will get a confirmation in the form of a hammer or price rejection from below or a green candle like this. If market bounces, then only you should go for buy order. But considering the descending triangle pattern, there is also a good possibility that there is a or there will be a good opportunity to short the market if market crosses this level. So on Monday, if you see that market crosses this level 6920 level with good volume or with a big candle, then we'll get the confirmation that yes, market is about to break the support level. And wait for a couple of hours and just try to observe the market, just try to read the market emotion. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is still trading below this level or below this level 0.6920 level, you will get the confirmation that yes, market has crossed the level and sellers are dominating the market right now. Bulls or buyers who were sitting at this particular level are gone now. Now sellers are dominating and you can short the market here below this level. Okay, so first trading opportunity is short the market at the trend line if market reverses or you see some selling pressure. And second trading opportunity on Monday will be if market reverses from this trend line. Second trading opportunity. And third will be if market crosses this support level. If market breaks this support level, then we'll get an opportunity to short the market because this market is under the influence of sellers and this is a descending triangle pattern. So these are the trading opportunities for you on NZD USD chart for Monday. I'll be coming down on Monday again as well, and let's see how the market opens on Monday. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.